salty, and we just got back from the beach, directly north of the Duck Research Pier, Osprey Ridge, and it was really wild down there. The whole time you felt like you were going to get sandblasted. The water hasn't seemed to breach the sand dunes yet, which is really good, so we hope that doesn't happen. But I heard it did down in Hatteras, and I heard that there was a new inlet formed, unfortunately. But as you can see, the sound is still pushed out really far, and we expect that to come back in, and a good portion of Duck Road is going to be flooded, and as well as Kitty Hawk and other areas on the Outer Banks, particularly Hatteras. I think that's going to be the worst. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens.